Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Gaming Basics. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your team that you have selected on the eFootball game. So let's get started right away. Now, when you start the eFootball game for the first time, you will be asked to choose your team that you want to play with. If you tap on choose another team and start with a different team for your game, then you will notice that there is no option to change this team later on. While you will be told that you can change your team, you will need to use various in-game points or currencies in order to do so. However, if you wish to do this without bothering with game progress, then you will need to reset the data for the eFootball game. Just long press on the eFootball game within your device and tap on the info button. You will now be taken into the application info page for the eFootball game. First of all, tap on force stop at the bottom right corner and tap on OK to stop the app. Once the application has been stopped, scroll down and tap on storage. Now from the storage menu, tap on clear data at the bottom left corner and then tap on the delete button, and now this will remove all of your user data from within the eFootball game. Once your user data has been cleared, if you open up the game once again, you will be able to start from the very beginning and you can once again choose your team. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your team on the eFootball game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.